how to log in to Nationwide. So if you want to log into your Nationwide account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Nationwide. And here you will have www.nationwide.com. Go for the first search. And here you can go for login. First accept, and then you can go for login, which is on the upper right. So you can log in to internet banking. Click on that. And here to log into your internet banking, there are two steps. So on the first step, you need to enter your customer number or your unique number for your online banking. It's like a username for when you log into your account. So enter that number. And if you forgot your customer number, then click on forgotten customer number. And you need to enter some details, and after that click on find my customer number. But if you remember your customer number, then simply enter it, and then you need to enter your date of birth from your date, month, and the year. Enter your date of birth, and if you want to log in your information, like save your information on your PC or laptop, then click on remember me and then click on continue. And once you click on continue, you need to enter your email address and your password on the next step. And once you enter your email address and your password, you can again click on continue so that you can log into your account. If your information is correct, then it will log you into your account. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for register now so that you can register to Nationwide. But if you want to log in, then enter your information, click on login, and enter your email and password on the next blank, and again click on continue and you'll be logged in. So that's it. That's how you log into Nationwide account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.